In Vision, The Ideal Life, a sunlit kitchen, the smell of bavaria and fresh brownies drafting through the air. A woman named April smiles warmly at her camera. She holds up a tray of perfect key, lime squares and says, "Today I am sharing my secret ingredient." Her followers adore her. Thousands of hearts, thousands of comments. She is baking influencer, a loving mother, a picture perfect life, but here's the truth about perfect lives. They are usually hiding something because behind April's cheerful videos, there are things she never posts, like why her teenage son sleeps out of the house at midnight, like what really happened inside the project windows of a local saucer coach's car. And most disturbing of all, what's buried in her backyard. Someone knows the truth. Someone who watches her videos. Someone who knows the ingredient she never shares online. And today, we are diving into how Freida McFadden turns the illusion of a perfect life into a chilling psychological nightmare. If you have read anything by Freida McFadden, you know one thing. Nobody writes secrets quite like she does. In Want to Know a Secret, we meet April Masterson. To her followers, she is baking goddess, but the story begins from a much darker perspective. An anonymous observer, someone who watches April's life closely, someone who absolutely hates her. And that's where the tension begins. As the story unfolds, three disturbing questions slowly tighten like a nose. The son, April teenage son, keeps sneaking out late at night. Where is he going? Who is he meeting? And why does April seem almost afraid to find out? The coach. Then there is the local saucer coach. Rumors start spreading. Is it just gossip about an affair? Or is something far more dangerous happening inside this small suburban community? The backyard, and finally, the most terrifying, mysterious of all, April's backyard. Something is buried there, something important, something that could destroy everything. And if you know Freida McFadden, you already know one thing. Nothing is ever what it seems. So, why should you read this book? Because this is not just a thriller, it's a story about illusion, about the lives we curate online, and the dangerous truth we hide behind them. Freida McFadden masterfully exposes the dark side of influencer culture. The more perfect someone's life looks on a screen, the more terrifying the reality might be behind it. If you enjoyed psychological thriller like The Housemaid, this book delivers the same addictive tension. Short chapters, shocking twist, and the kind of ending that makes you stare at the ceiling at 3 a.m. wondering how you did not see it coming. So now I have to ask you a question. What do you think is buried in April's backyard? A secret, a mistake, or something far worse? If you have already read the book, tell me what you thought in the comments. Just remember, no spoilers. And if you are searching for your next unputdownable psychological thriller, this one might keep you awake long after midnight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more deep dives into the world's darkest stories. Because sometimes the scariest secrets are the ones hiding in plain sight.